Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. Today we're going to be discussing Microsoft Office accounts. In this video I will cover what they're used for, why you should have one, and how to create one. If you have not already, go ahead and show your support, like, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. First, what's it used for? Well, a Microsoft account is actually very important. Not only is it required to take full advantage of a lot of Microsoft Office capabilities, especially sharing files and documents, but it also ties into your other platforms such as Xbox Live, your mobile devices, allows you to interconnect and be able to edit and modify documents, no matter what device you're on. So very beneficial. If you already have an Xbox account, then you already have a Microsoft account. It's one and the same. Why should you have one? Well, of course, everybody knows you can use Office without an account, and it's typically fine for your daily Office tasks, editing documents, things like that, spreadsheets. However, you will be restricted to only being able to save documents locally, and again, as I just mentioned, you will not be able to share them amongst your different devices and platforms. So if you're collaborating with someone, you won't be able to do that without creating an account. So it is definitely beneficial to go and just take a little time and go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. So how to set one up? First, you're going to go and open up Microsoft Word. You're going to click File. You're going to go down to the Account button, and you're going to go ahead and select that. And if you are not already signed in, then you'll go ahead and click Sign In. There will be a pop-up window that allows you to either go ahead and enter in your email, phone, or Skype account. Or for this video, we're going to treat it as though we do not have one. You can go ahead and click Create One. And it's going to give you two options. You can use phone number or go ahead and create a new email address. Now, I suggest that you actually go to this link and create your account. And if you ask me, it's just a whole lot easier at the site. Once you're at the site, you go ahead and click the sign in option up top. It'll come up with the next prompt. If you don't have an account, again, it's going to give you the option to create one. Follow the prompts all the way through, going to the next panes, fill in the information, save your account. Once you're done, go ahead and navigate back to Microsoft Word. And once you get back to your Word document, go ahead and click File, go down, select Account, and navigate back to your Sign In area. This time you're going to click Sign In, select that you're going to choose to sign in by email, phone, or Skype. You'll go ahead and click Next. Then the next screen right here will actually be where you type in your email address and your password. Now, you will be required to go and enter in a verification code that will be sent to your mobile device based on the phone number that you added in when you created your account. This is two-factor authentication and is pretty typical these days. Once you enter that passcode, go ahead and hit Next. So, the next page that loads up will be all of your account information. Please disregard all the white areas. I actually block mine out just for my own privacy. So what you'll see is your basic account information. It'll tell you what account signed in. You'll have a photo right here as well, which you can also go through and change. You can see About Me. You can actually fill out information. You can also sign out. There's an area that allows you to switch accounts. There's also the option that you can choose to customize your own background or the Office theme that you currently would like to use. One of the most beneficial parts is the connected services. As you can see, I have OneDrive configured and some of my sites for work, personal options. So some of the services, this is the most beneficial part of making sure that you have an account. And this add a service option, well, if you select that, then you can go ahead and add in services of social sites that you like to share documents and files at. one of the most beneficial aspects of creating an account. Then again, this will carry across multiple platforms, so your mobile device, again, your Xbox, all of these will be connected. So if you create a document, share it, you can add it to any one of those sites automatically without having to open up that site, log in, copy your information over, save the document, upload the document into, say, Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn. Very beneficial. And of course, OneDrive, SharePoint, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter are just to name some. Well, I think that will be it for this video. I hope that everybody found this information very beneficial. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe if you have not already. I will be making a lot more videos like this. Please leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. If there's any other topics that you would like me to talk about. And I hope everyone has a good day.